If you're watching this, chances are you still haven't achieved the goals you set back in January. It's July now, and you haven't met your fitness goal, your income goals, or your creative goal. You see others trying out new hobbies and succeeding and feel so far behind. In this video, I'll walk you through a 5-step reset plan to help you actually achieve those goals. And stay till the end, because step 5 might be the real reason you keep failing. So first of all, I want you all to plan your next 6 months goal with me right here. So pause this video and go grab a notebook and pen and stick with me. I'll wait. Go and grab your notebook. Good. Now, list down all of your goals in a sheet of paper. Doesn't matter if it's realistic or not, or just how small it is. Just jot down all of the things that comes to your mind. Writing down your goals increases the chance of you achieving it by 42%. So let's get that probability high, shouldn't we? Now look at your goals and rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, based on how important and relevant they are to your current plans. For example, I have a goal of making 3 videos per month, doing daily sketches, and practicing cursive handwriting. For me, YouTube is more important and relevant right now, so I would be prioritizing that over doing sketches daily. So prioritize yours and set 1 to 3 priorities. Anything above that will just make you feel overwhelmed and you will end up doing neither. Another thing that I do is group tasks that can be done together. So one of my goals is to be good at cursive and journaling. Doing them separately decreases the chance of me actually doing them. So I started journaling in cursive handwriting. This way I'm able to do both at one time. After we have picked our top priorities, we want to make a system to achieve that. Let's get smart. I like to approach this by setting monthly goals, then breaking it down to weekly and see what will I have to do every day to achieve that goal. So one of my goals is to read more books. This alone is vague. There are too many variables. It doesn't give a clear idea on what book, how many books, on what topic. It's just too vague. So let's make it smart. To be specific, I want to complete 3 books in a month. Anything more than that would make me not even start. Would not make me want to start because it's just too overwhelming. It's just, I don't know, why can't I always pronounce the word overwhelming? Like, yeah, it sucks. Anyway, so to make it smart, we want to be specific, not just read books. What books, on what topic? I want to read books on philosophy and psychology and game theory. For this, first I'll need to gather the resources, which are books. So I'll be ordering some of the books which I want to read. I already read books, so completing 3 books in a month wouldn't be too hard, but I read different genre of books, so this genre is different from what books I usually read, so it will take some time. So I hope I'll be able to complete it. So I think it is attainable, but also gives me flexibility if I want to give up some books, like 3 books in a month. Yeah, it's nice. It is attainable. I hope so. And reading books is relevant to me because I do want to read more and I want to gain more knowledge and build some skills. So it is important and relevant for me right now. So this is relevant. To conclude, my goal is to complete 3 books in a month, 1 book in a week or 10 days, and reading 2 hours every day to achieve that goal. While we are making SMART goals, we may fail to track our progress and feel lost. So we need to continuously keep our progress in our mind. You can use a habit tracker or write a daily journal. I personally do both. And I use an app, I don't know its name, YPT. Yeah, YPT. It is a good app for tracking your times on different tasks. So you can try that. Or you can journal with the prompt, what were my weekly priorities and how are they going? Life is not linear. There would be new situations that you have to take care of, or simply you don't want to continue that anymore. So we need to keep going back to our goals and keep them new and see if the system is still working and make relevant changes. For me, planning a whole 6-month schedule is way too much, so I like to set monthly goals and do weekly plans to achieve that. This way, I'm able to reassess my goals and set new plans for each month. And I was thinking of doing a monthly check-in video just 2 to 3 minutes here, where we can all check our progress and realign if we need to. And so whoever wants to join this, like, comment down below your goals or just say I want to be included and subscribe for that update. And I would check on you all next month to see your progress. I was also thinking of, like, if there would be enough people, we could make a group together to keep each other accountable for the goals. or just you see a weekly community post, anything like, well, just this is an idea that I have, that to keep myself accountable. If I'd be making a video, then I think I would be able to do those things which I wanted to do. So let me know what you think of this idea. Now to the step 5. Chances are, even after you have done all of this, you may not be able to achieve that goal. Why? Because you do not identify with the person. This was from an experiment that I read in Atomic Habits. If two people are trying to quit smoking and one says, I'm trying to quit, and one says, I'm not a smoker, who is more likely to quit smoking? The second person. Because he doesn't identify as a smoker. He's saying that I don't smoke. I'm not the person who smokes. Not I'm trying to quit, or I was a smoker and now I'm not. Similarly, if you want to write things, you would be more likely to write when you say I'm a writer. If you identify as a person, you can ask the question, what should that person be doing? Like, if you're a writer, what should a writer be doing? It should be writing. So you should go and write. So that way you're more likely to do the things that you want. It can be also taken as be the person that you want to be, act like the person you want to be, like fake it till you make it. So whatever your goals may be, think how you can tie them to an identity. If you can't think of an identity, you can comment your goals and maybe I can come up with an identity, or someone else can come up with an identity for you. So as a conclusion, what are the steps to realign? Step 1, list down all of your goals. Step 2, prioritize them. Step 3, make a plan, make a SMART plan. Step 4, weekly reset and monthly progress. And step 5, tie them to an identity. This is all, and I hope you were able to plan your next month and weeks with me. And let me know about the idea, if you'd like to join in or not. Just let me know, please. Also, if you need help in building a routine around your goals, then consider checking this video right here, where I talk about building a routine that fits your schedule. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.